Let's service this RAV4. Remove the oil cap. Set the rack. Fill the washer fluid. Raise the vehicle. Remove the maintenance cover. Loosen and remove old oil filter. Remove oil drain plug and drain old oil. Install oil drain plug with new gasket and torque drain plug to specs. Install new oil filter. Reinstall maintenance cover. Check and set tire pressure. Lower the vehicle. Add fresh new oil. Don't forget the oil cap. Reset maintenance lights. Service completed. Thanks for watching.